Hey, y'all, this is Mike. Thanks for joining me. So, Jennifer is up again. She's got another request. This one is Human Nature singing Wishes. So, I like Human Nature. Um, they've got some great songs. Y'all have requested some in the past that I've really enjoyed. So, I've got my hopes up that this one will be just as good as those were. So, let's just get into the intro. I'm sorry, we're just gonna go right into video. I stopped doing the intro. I might start it again, but I'm always changing it up to keep this thing a little fresh. So here we go, y'all.
Sometimes I wish that I could turn back time. I check myself cause I was way out of line. I only hope that we can start all over again. I must admit that I was more than wrong. I used your heart like a stepping stone. Please forgive a fool who doesn't know what to do. What do I do? And I wish that I could have just one more chance. And I wish that I could be your pillar of strength. And I pray that you'll see that what I'm saying is true. 'Cause I wish for you. In my mind, I can see your face. You're on the breath of every word I say. If there's anyone to place the blame on, it's me. Baby, can't you see? Oh, and I wish that I could have just one more chance. And I wish that I could be your pillar of strength. And I pray that you will see that what I'm saying is true. 'Cause I wish for you. I wish for you. I wish for you.
All right, man. Human Nature. These boys are really talented, and yeah, I mean, it's just easy listening type of music to where you could be doing something totally different and still have this playing in the background, and it would be soothing. There's some songs that are right in your face. This is a group that's not right in your face. They're just talented and easy to listen to. Man, that sounded pretty smart, didn't it?
I wish for you. I wish for you. Baby, I will. I really miss you, baby. I think about you, baby, all night long. I really need you, baby. I wanna hold you, baby. Won't you stay with me? Just stay with me. Yeah. And I wish that I could have just one more chance. And I wish that I could be your pillar of strength. And I pray you'll see what I'm saying is true. 'Cause I wish for you. I wish for you.
right, man. I kind of hit the wrong. There we go. All right. Sorry, my nose is itching. Yeah, man. Like I said, it's just easy listening. That you could you could play this in the background while you were doing something else. So it's a little soft for somebody like me, but man, heavy metal like Metallica or those type of bands, that's what gets my blood moving. But there's no doubt that these young men right here are super talented, and they're very, very there's a bunch of boy bands, or used to be a bunch of boy bands, and those guys could really harmonize and sing, and they were just real talented at it. I don't know where most of them are at now. Is Human Nature still around? Let me see right here, y'all. Just bear with me. Human Nature. I think I did a Wikipedia of them already. I think. Australian boy band. They are. So they're still going strong from 1989 to present. All right. So there y'all go. Thanks everybody for showing up. I'm looking for my cursor and spending your valuable time here. It means a lot. So that's going to do it for me. I'm going to get us out of here. So till I see you again, I'll catch you down the road. Bye, y'all.